Welcome to the first installment of Tooling Tuesdays at the North American Stratasys Tooling Center. Each week, we will take you behind the scenes to show you how additive manufacturing is changing the way industries design and build production tools. From lightweighting, jigs and fixtures, and end-of-arm tools to creating custom assembly aids, we'll share with you real-world applications and success stories that you can use to speed up production and reduce costs. Join us every Tuesday and see how Stratasys is helping manufacturers reimagine what's possible with 3D printed polymer tooling. Our first application is actually a really exciting one for me personally. Automation is everywhere. You can't go into a factory and not see automation. So it is fitting that on our first Tooling Tuesday, we talk about end-of-arm tools. What you're seeing here is a carbon fiber printed end-of-arm tool made with a Stratasys F900, printed in a fraction of the time that a traditional tool can be made. Why, you might ask? It's because a traditional tool looks like this. It is separate components that are machined individually, welded together, and then remachined from distance to create the proper distance for the tool to function properly. You can eliminate all of this simply by designing what you need and printing a direct end-of-arm tool. So you are saving time and money, but the most important thing that you're saving for a robot is the weight. So even though these are small end-of-arm tools, they still allow you to save money and save time, but every ounce matters when you're dealing with a robot when it comes to automation. So even on tools like this that are relatively small, you still have 3 separate pieces that require 3 separate machining operations, welding and remachining, then powder coating. We were able to do all of that simply by going direct to CAD and direct to print. Thank you for joining me on this installment of Tooling Tuesdays. I encourage everyone out there listening to please submit your own videos for Tooling Tuesdays. We'd love to see the exciting stuff that you're working on to support manufacturing.